Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're enjoying the holiday season. I'm back, guys. Want to give you some information. I want to share with you an affiliate program to teach you how to market online. This program has been around for 3 years. It's a solid company. And I want to share that with you because we're going into the new year. And a lot of people come to me and they want to know, well, how do I start making money online? What do I need to do first? And if I was introduced to something like this initially, this could have taken me further in a shorter time frame, okay, than I actually had to experience through my journey. So I want to show you this program. I'm going to let you check it out. And you make a decision, okay? But you need to be educated, guys, first. Just jumping from program to program is not going to do it. Yes, there's a lot of programs out here, but you want to get the education. And this program will allow you to learn while you earn, okay? So that's going to be a great thing, okay? So let me take you there and check this out. But before we get started, go ahead and do me a favor and click that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? So let's take a look at this. All right, let's go over. Hang on. All right, I got my notes here. Okay, we're going to talk about it's Easy One Up. You've probably heard about them. They've been around for a while. This program was created by Peter Wolfen. Okay, so what I like about Peter Wolfen, he's very involved in his company and he's accessible as well. Okay, you can actually email him. He's a CEO, but he will respond to you. Okay, so I like that he's active in the program. He has an active Facebook group and he will respond to you. Okay, so Easy One Up is digital education on demand. You will learn while you earn. Okay, so you can go at your own pace learning these modules in with this course. Okay, so there's no time frame. That's up to you, but you can still promote the program and still earn a commission. Okay, there's 6 digital education courses with Easy One Up. Okay, and the costs range from $25 up to $2,000. So you've got your $25 education, your $100 education, your $250, your $500, $1,000, and $2,000 education. And on top of that, there is an admin fee, a small admin fee. Now, what happens with this, while you're learning, you can resell the courses that you purchase and earn instant 100% commissions, okay? Now, it's a simple comp plan. It's a one-up comp plan. The first sale you keep, then you pass up your second sale. And everyone has to do that, but that gives you leverage, okay? So basically, your first sale, you get your money back. Okay, and then your second sale, you pass up. Okay, so everybody that joins you is going to have to pass up their second sale as well, and that's where the income compounds. Okay, now go check it out. Go to www.profitwithpandora.com. Okay, go to my website and you will see what I'm talking about there. Now let's go over, because I'm going to show you those courses real quick, and then we're going to give you an example of how you can make great money with this. At that $500 level. Okay, hang on a second. Okay, so here are the different levels. The courses, actually, these are the courses, and within the course there are modules. Okay, so there's lots of modules within every course that you actually purchase, and when you purchase the higher levels, you get the lower level courses for free. Okay, so this is a great way to get started learning how to market online. Okay, and you're still going to be able to make money at the same time. All right, so check out my website, profitwithpandora.com. Now let me show you how this works. Okay, hang on one second.
Easy One Up, which is owned by a rock-solid 16-year-old company, which, by the way, has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. So rest assured that you're dealing with a reputable company allowing you to launch your new business and confidently plant your seeds of hope for a truly incredible lifestyle. Easy One Up, also referred to as E1U, will be supplying and delivering the awesome products you'll be selling, providing the business opportunity you'll be participating in, and is responsible for managing and tracking all the compensation plan activity so your commissions are always accurate and on time. Give one, keep one. Your goal is to get 2 people as quickly as possible. Okay, so here we go. Your first sale, Connie, pays you, and your second one, Bob, passes up to your inviter, Tom. We believe that with the power of this system, you can do that in your first week. So at the end of week 1, you have $500 back in your account, and you passed up your second sale, so you're qualified to earn up to $500 on every personal sale from here on out. Congratulations. Now all you need to do is focus on getting just 1 new person every week. Only 1 new person. Assuming everyone on your team keeps the same timeline, the plan begins to unfold like this. Week 2, you get a new personal sale, Arlo. Remember, 1 a week. And just like you passed up your second sale, Bob, to your inviter, Connie, your first member from week 1 gives or passes up her second sale, named Derek, to you. Boom! The leverage and passive income element has begun. So that's 2 sales in your second week for $1,000. Week 3. Again, you get a new personal sale, Jim. Next, Arlo from week 2 is now qualifying by giving you his second sale, George. But here's the cool part. Remember Derek, the pass-up sale you got last week? He just got his second sale too, Julie, which passes up to you. So that's 3 sales this week for $1,500, and you only made 1 personal sale. Week 4. Of course, you're firing on all cylinders now, so you refer another new personal sale, Holly, like you do every week. And then your personal referral, Jim, from last week qualifies by giving you his second sale, Irene. But that's not all, because here comes some cash flow from George and Julie's efforts, those 2 pass-up sales you got in week 3. They both qualify by passing up another sale each, John and Jack. So that's 4 sales in week 4 for a total of $2,000. Really? You just banked $2,000 in a single week, and you've only been in this business for 1 month. You've literally gotten a raise each week as you earned more than the week before. What options could that create for you and your family? Maybe quit a second job, go part-time, or even leave your current job altogether? Okay, let's keep going because the income is growing and getting better each week. Week 5. Like clockwork, you refer a new personal sale, Larry. Then your personal referral, Holly, from week 4 qualifies by giving you her second sale, Mona. Then the 3 pass-up sales you got from last week, Irene, John, and Jack, all qualify by passing up 1 sale each for 3 more $500 sales to you. Time to celebrate, because you got a $500 raise from last week. Cha-ching! $2,500 in your account for the week, and you just started month 2. The process continues, and you bank a cool $3,000 in week 6. By the end of 12 weeks, you've banked a whopping $39,000, and it's growing every week. Not by working 40, 50, or even 60 hours per week for someone else who tells you how much you can make, tells you when you can come and go, or when you can have a vacation. Ain't nobody got time for that. No, you cranked out almost $40,000 in a mere fraction of the time and with a fraction of the work. We're talking about 1 to 2 hours a day tops. Because if you were paying attention, you'll realize that most of the income was from other people's efforts, not your own. Now, we fully understand that this is a perfectly duplicated example, and your actual income will be more or less. But riddle me this, Batman. What if you and your entire team joined at the $1,000 level instead of the $500 level? Your income would double, and you'd have $78,000 in your account instead of $39,000. By the way, that is with 0 extra work. Think about it. What happens as your income grows? Not just for 12 weeks, but for 12 months. Oh yeah, what if you and your team actually made more than 1 sale in a week? The income potential is off the charts. Seriously, this is mind-blowing, and we've made it so ridiculously easy that the only way you can really fail is to do what? Absolutely nothing. Just for full disclosure, even though we believe everyone can easily make 1 new sale per week, if you're really part-time or new, that's okay. Take this chart out from 12 weeks to 12 months. We think you'll agree that $39,000 to $78,000 in a year is a great extra income for a very part-time effort. Now that you know you can generate life-changing income, you also need to understand the Easy One-Up business. You'll be selling a very valuable educational product line. Everything is digital, so there's no stocking or shipping of any products. There's thousands of hours of educational video trainings designed to take you through a step-by-step process to become a successful entrepreneur and ultimately help you make a lot more money. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll have 24/7 access to this content and can delve in at your own pace.
All right, guys, that is easy one up. So as you can see how simple that is. Now, all you're going to need to do is share that same video, okay? And I have that marketing system. I'll put the link below so that you can get the marketing system that will do all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to be on the phone explaining how this works. All you're going to do is drive traffic to your capture page and let that same video do the explaining for you. Now, of course, Easy One Up comes with a video that comes with the system, but I like the way this one explains it a little bit better. So if you're interested in that, it's optional, but that's the one that I use. I'll refer you to that one, okay? But Easy One Up, okay? So you can get in as low as $25. Will it be an admin fee, $5 added on to that? But you can get started, guys. Doesn't take a lot of money to get started. You just need to get started. That's the thing. A lot of people procrastinate and they never get started and stick with it, okay? So let's look at the cost again, okay? So as you can see, 25, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, or 2,000. And you get, if let's say you came in at the 2,000 or the 1,000, everything below that, it's going to be included. You don't have to pay extra for it. It's included. You get those levels for free. Okay? So get started. You're going into the new year. Okay? Of course, everybody wants to make some changes. So this is a great time for you to do that. Get started with me in Easy One Up. Everything is set up immediately. Once I receive my payment from you and I mark you as paid, you have instant access to the education courses that you purchased, okay? So the time is now, all right? I'm here to support you. I'm accessible. If you have any questions, give me a call, because I do like working hands-on with people that join me. And I like people to be able to reach out to me if they have any questions, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link below, and I'm going to put the link below for the marketing system too, so you can get all that at the same time. And I've got a great bonus for you, so I'm going to get some traffic over to your capture page when you get started. So reach out to me to find out what that bonus is. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, I'm tongue-tied this morning. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And as you can see right here to the left, sign-ups are coming in, guys, as I'm doing this video, okay? So this program does work. You just have to stick with it. But let the system do all the heavy lifting. I don't get on the phone and chase people. I don't explain this. I just direct people to the presentation, okay? And you can do the same. All right, guys, look forward to working with you in Easy One Up and going toward the 2020 new year. This is a great program to get started and get educated and start learning and earning at the same time. All right, till next video, guys, I will see you on the inside. All right, have a great day.